Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Right, okay, so I am playing with the new release, new card kit, Cutesy Treasures. And I'm going to make, well, I've already made like a little dangle or a key ring. You can put it on a book. Let me just get a book. Okay, so I've got my schedule book here. So, yeah, I just thought, what can I do with these gorgeous images? Oh, get on there. Get it on. So, yeah, that's what I've done. So, I've used Julia B. And what I've done is I've glossy accented, like all over her. I've added a word on some card. And this is, we've got it. There. This is like a chipboard that I got from Artful Days. I've had it in my stash for a while now and just not used it. So I thought that would look perfect with Julia B on. So I'm going to make two more. I'm actually going to leave that on there. That's beautiful. That I like that. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to leave that on there. So that is my schedule book. Like I said, you can put it on a key ring, put it on your keys. I haven't actually got a key ring to hand at the moment. But yeah, you get what I mean. Right, okay, so I'm also using Sammy Lion and Ray the Dragon. And Sammy Lion, I'm just going to put on some like thick black card, which is also out of the kit. I've rounded the corners and I just think that she would look awesome on there. And for Ray the Dragon, I am using a wooden element, which is from, I don't think it's Tribal Treasures. I'm not actually sure which kit this is from. It might not even be from a kit, it might just be in Dawn Shop. So I thought I would use the teardrop one, and it's very pretty, isn't it? So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to do Sammy Lion first. So what can we do to pretty this bit up? I did have some paper. I know I did. I had paper. They're words. I must have put it away. Yeah, I put it away. So I want this pink one. Yeah, I want the pink one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure this. I'm measuring again. So that is just over a quarter. And just over 2 3/4. So let me get my trimmer. So it was 2 1/4, just over, wasn't it? No, I need it under. Yeah, because it's going to be like a matten layer. So that's a quarter, and I'm going to do 2. Yeah. 2 and I've forgotten. It's just over 2 3/4, so I'm going to do 2 1/2, and let's see what that does. Oh, see, there we go. That is awesome. So I'm gonna round the corners. Which rounder did I use on this? I think it was the big one. It might be in the middle size one. Oh, I don't know. I think it was the big one. Yeah. And that one, and that one. So I'm just going to stick this down like this. Okay. I think my daughter's up and around. We are going out today. I'm going to go and visit my mum. And then I think we're going shopping. Not important shopping, food shopping. That's it. Right, okay. So where have I put... I can say where have I put Sammy Lion? So I need to make a hole at the top and put an eyelet through. But yeah, she is just going to be stuck on there. Or he, Sam. Plenty of glue so it doesn't curl up, so it sticks down properly. And put that there, like so. I mean, you could just make a topper out of that. That'd look perfect, wouldn't it? Got glue everywhere now. Let's just smooth that down. I mean, you could even put resin on top. I mean, if you get like a little bottle with a nozzle, that's it. I suppose you could put resin on, couldn't you? And for this one, I'm using the word memories. So we're going to stick all this down. And yeah, you can make these any size you like. So yeah, I just think that something a little bit different and pretty and cute. I'm obviously going to keep Ray the dragon. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I've not decided. Right, okay, so I'm using my crocodile and I am using the 3/16 hole, which is the bigger hole, like that. There we go. I think I need to put a bit more glue on there. Should we have it in the middle or at the side so it tangles down like that? I think I'm going to put it at the side, like that. There we go. I still need that because I need to put my eyelets in. And I think the eyelets just finish it off and make it that little bit stronger, depending on what it is that you're going to do with your little bits. And another one. And for this one, I'm going to put a little dingly dangly on it, just some beads. Awesome. Right, so we have them. So I've got these here. So I'm just going to put a little bead dangle. We need a split ring and a lobster claw. Do we need 2 split rings? No, I don't think we do. I think that would be fine. Well, we'll soon find out, won't we? Right, okay, so we just do this. I need to get them on the right side. And this. Then this. Oh, it's not going to reach. No, it isn't going to reach. I haven't got any bigger ones either, I don't think. Oh, I should have really measured it. No, I don't have any bigger ones. That's the biggest I've got. Let's have a think. Let's have a think of what we are going to do now. That doesn't fit. I don't even think if I linked them I'd be able to put it on. So I'm going to see if I can find silver bulb I have got some silver ones. I just don't know what I've done with them. Yeah, let's just use a gold bulb pin for now till I come across my silver ones. Yeah, I don't know what I've done with them. So, oh, never mind. So it was this one, this one, this one. Come on. Like that. I don't think I need the lobster claw on, do I? Do I? No, because I've got the bulb pin there. Yeah. So that was a quick save, I think. Wasn't it? It needs to be round the other way. No, we'll leave it like that. It'll have to go like that. But yeah, you get the idea of what you could do with them. If you've got a bit of chain would be lovely. You know, the ball chain. Yeah, you could use that. That would be okay to put through these because they do fit. But that is that one done. Beautiful. Absolutely love that. I'm just going to take this B one down off there for now. Right, so we have got Ray the dragon. Right, let's hope we can do this properly. So I'm going to put glue all over Ray, and it'll stick where it touches the bits of wood on here. So let's put Ray right in the middle like that. And my glue does dry clear, so yeah, if it seeps out on the other side, you're not really going to see it. So make sure that is all glued on. Right, there's no reason why you can't save things like that. So yes, I have got a lovely butterfly which I found in my wood drawer. I don't know what it's doing in there, so I'm going to put that on there. Oh, I haven't done the word. I'm jumping ahead of myself. Need to do the word, Claire. Okay, yes, I'm doing it now. Oh dear. Right, okay, let's stick our paper down. There, and I've got the word confidence here. That, and that will stick down to that end there. Not straight, nothing's ever straight with me, so okay, let's find the big hole. So we have the big hole. I don't need to put a hole in that because it's already got a hole in that, so I only need one eyelet. Make sure I get it the right way. Nice. Right, okay, so yeah, that needs to go on that way, like so. Is it? It's the wrong way around. Come on, don't get stuck on me. More fingers and thumbs, fingers and thumbs. I can't get it off now. Let's, right, goes that way. Yeah, like that. And then this goes through here, and then we have our lobster claw at the back, like so. Right, let's close that together. Nice. Make sure it is closed. Just gonna push it a little bit, and there we go. There is our other dangle. I put my butterfly on the wrong way, mate. No, I haven't. Right, so there is our third dangle. And I just think, oh, I love the way these are. I do. I really, really do. Absolutely love them. Yeah, I might even gift them out. Yeah, I don't know. I can't. I've got to keep Ray. I love Ray. I love all of them. They are all so cute. But because he's purple or she's purple, yeah. Yeah, I'm a sucker for anything purple. So, and it's got a butterfly on. Yeah. So there is my project for this video. I love them. I love the way they look. Really, really pretty. So yeah, you can do it with anything. In the kit you get like wooden pieces and little bows. So yeah, you could you know, it's endless what you could do with all the goodies that you get. And this is mine. So I need to tidy up because my desk is a complete mess. I didn't tidy up after my playing with my other things. Yeah, so I'm going to go let you enjoy the rest of your day, whatever it is that you're doing. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.